Looking for a great way to improve your quality of life? Next time you go camping, rent a boat and head out on the water. There's a lot of campgrounds that will rent out boats for very reasonable rates.
If you're only going to use a boat a few times a year, this is the perfect way to go.
It's cheaper than owning, and you don't have to worry about maintenance or repairs. You just head over from your campsite to the marina, and you're ready to go.
Another thing we recommend is renting a different type of boat each time. Rent a houseboat, pontoon, ski boat, jet ski, fishing boat, whatever you want. Look, we know that camping and boating improves your overall happiness. So plan your next trip to the lake and get out and camp.